Hey guys, Happy New Year to everyone. This is Oduro Farms. It's been a while since we had a chance to give you some updates on our farm. We still have a lot going on, and I'm glad that we're here to give you some update. So as you can see, we are building a wall around the land. Some area, not all the land, but some area, about 5 acres, we're just fencing it out so that we can have some privacy for the farm. The pigs are doing well, and I'll take some time to go inside. They are being fed right now, so you could probably hear the noise at the background. We have a pawpaw farm that we started right before the Harmattan season, which was around like September. So you can see that there's some pawpaw growing here, and it goes all the way down there. We have some other tree crops like coconut and palm. So this is the backyard. For those of you who have seen the previous video, we are doing the extension. We're just doing the roofing. They just finished putting the woods on it. So we took a break for the holidays. By a day or two, we will start putting the roofing sheets on it. So yeah, that's the outside update. Let me quickly go closer to the extension so that you can actually see what is going on. There's a lot of noise, so pardon me if you cannot hear my voice, but it's all part of the job. Yeah, so if you can see here, some of the pawpaw trees are picking up. We're gradually trying to utilize the land. The pigs, they like the pawpaw, so hopefully we can grow some at our backyard and use that to supplement the feed. This one I showed you before last time, and as you can see, we just put in the roofing on it. So it's the extension of the old building. I will take some time and also go to where the residents, the workers are staying. We're building a new, I think about 6 bedrooms or 7 bedroom with washrooms and a kitchen, just to give a place for people who will be doing internship and things like that could stay if need to, because the whole idea behind this farm is also to create opportunity for people who are interested in engaging in pig farming in the future. So that especially those in the diaspora. So if you happen to be around and you need a place to stay, or if you're living on the other side of the country and you happen to visit the farm for a couple of days, you don't need to spend money on hotels or anything like that. Should be able. Okay.